Good morning, everyone. We are out here on the boat getting ready to go fishing. We're out bright and early, and yeah, so we're just gonna be going out for the morning, a few hours of fishing, and going out to Guntersville, and we're just gonna see what happens this morning. We're gonna go out, fish some grass, and maybe fish some bait balls too. And yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. But do you have a little new spinning rod here? Got a little X-Pride 7.2 medium light. That thing's pretty sweet. I mean, I just have a Noski on it, but yeah, that's a sweet rod right there. I'm excited to test that one out. Got a wacky worm on that, and got 3 different minnows tied on for if you want to go scope bait balls. Got a 7-inch Sakamata and 2 freeloaders on. But yeah, and then bait casters. You know, we just got some normal stuff. We got the Karashi and the jerk bait for fishing bait, and then you have full-size chatterbait, mini max, and a little power shot on. And then my favorite part of the deck is, of course, the grass, the braid rods. We have a top water. We have punch rig here, frog. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, and yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun one. All right, guys. Good morning. We are out on the water, and yeah, I'm gonna throw a frog to start. Just right over here by the ramp. See what happens. See if we can get some frog blow up. Lesson's gonna flip for a little bit, and yeah, see what happens.
Number 1 on the punch rig. Yeah, he's probably with me. Got that Big Bite Baits BFE on there. 1 1/4 flipping weight. Let's go. You hit it on belt. You got one.
Bragging. Yeah. That's funny. Alright, time to fish the red boat dog. Got him? Oh, yeah. I got this. Okay, don't reel it up too far, you're good. Nice. Yep. Is that becoming one of your main confidence lures, Tintin? He choked. That's a good one. Not 7 pounds. He's way big. He's bigger than I thought. 3.74. I'm determined to catch one on my new spinning rod. Whew. That is a dink right there, boys. Got him on the wacky worm. Look at how small that fish is. See, look, 2 spots under that. Alright. grab him, Wesley. Actually, no, I grabbed him. He's not that big. Just flipping. Yep. Chatterbait? Yeah. I would like to find some bait balls back here. Kind of is there, bud. They're scoping and not scoping. That is not the right kind. Yeah. Caught him on the freeloader. That's about the same size as that first one. Alrighty guys, we are in a new little area. We fish this area a lot, but it's been kind of slow lately, but we just decided to hit it. But it's just a community hole really, so always a lot of boats over here. But yeah, let's see what happens. Alright guys, new spot. Moved from that other spot. And yeah, now we're over here. We're gonna punch for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, I think he's definitely short. He's short, yeah. I know, I'm just saying. There we go, guys. Gotta say, power shot fish out here in the middle of this cove. We were just about to head out, but can't get this one. Well, guys, I just caught one on a power shot. It was like a 12-incher. Oh, today's been a struggle. I've already caught 2 fish today that have not been on the cameras. They were both small, but like, man, sorry guys. I'm just struggling today. But anyways, we're gonna go back out there and see if we can catch some.
I know.
Where'd they go? Did they dip?
No, you lost it.
They went down.
No, down here.
There we go.
Rod the load up. Go, boy! Got it.
Yeah. That dinky son of a gun. I scoped him. Come back here, bud. Got a bass looking at active target. He's dinky though. See. Guys, got us one on the punch up here upriver. That's probably a 2.5 pounder. Let's go. That would be keeper number 4. Wait on this bad boy. There we go. 268. 264. 264. Okay, guys, that one came on the Missile Baits D-bomb. So,
and go get another one of those out. It's been such a grind today, guys. But yeah, we're just flipping upriver. The flipping bite's been tough today, so we just came all the way up pretty far up the river, and we're just punching down this main river grass up here. And yeah, I mean, we had 2 bites. Weston broke off on a big one, and I just caught a 2.5 pounder. So yeah, that's getting a little bit of confidence here, and yeah, let's see if we can catch some more. Alrighty guys, I am about to pull out the wacky worm, and we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna fish some docks with wacky. Weston's gonna throw a chatter donk around, and yeah, we caught some fish on docks earlier this morning. So yeah, we're gonna pull out the new spinning rod, and yeah, let's see what happens. I've only caught one little blink on it. Oh my gosh, it just broke off. Throw him to the camera first and measure.
Little guy, I doubt he's gonna keep. He's gonna be very close.
Make sure you cast your blade jig over here. Okay. A few times in between those dots. Little. It's a spot. Oh, we threw my worm. Alright guys. That's a spotted dog. Fishing docks. They only have to be 12 to be keepers, so we'll see. I think it's gonna be just short. Oh well, it's actually a keeper. Got our 5th keeper of the day, a teeny tiny spot. Alrighty. A whopping 0.77. I think that's a keeper. Ooh, I don't think so. Look at that thing. Straight down there. Yeah, he's gonna be, yeah, he's gonna be another 14. He started catching fish though. Yep, 14. Another 14 incher, guys. See you, buddy. There's a bunch of fish on these docks, but found another stretch of docks. year round, yeah. Alrighty, let's see if we can catch another. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. We caught some fish today. We caught probably 12, 13 fish. It was pretty tough, but you know, that's just kind of how it is this time of year. Caught some punch fish. We actually broke off twice, so it's kind of unfortunate. Broke off one fish punching, broke off one in the wacky worm. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but this is what it is, guys. Caught some fish today. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I just love getting out on the water, you know, whenever we can. Sorry for not posting for a while. I've just been really busy lately. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time on AW Fishing.